In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to fix and understand an Odoo Error 404 using a live demo environment, specifically demo6.odoo.com. If you're seeing a 404 error in Odoo, especially when accessing menus, apps, or pages that should exist, this usually points to a configuration, access, or developer mode issue. I'll show you exactly how to check this step by step so you can identify the problem quickly. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo tutorials and fixes like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to demo6.odoo.com/Odoo. This takes you to the Odoo Home dashboard. If you're encountering a 404 error when trying to access certain pages, the first thing you want to confirm is that you're actually logged in and that the database is loading correctly. If the home page loads without errors, that means the server is running, and the issue is likely related to access rights or missing routes rather than the server itself. Once you're on the home screen, the next step is to activate developer mode. This is extremely important when troubleshooting Odoo errors because developer mode gives you access to technical menus, advanced settings, and debugging tools. To do this, go to the settings page by navigating to demo6.odoo.com/odoo/settings. From here, look for the option to activate developer mode. Click on it, and once developer mode is enabled, you'll notice additional menus and options appear across the interface. Now that developer mode is active, we can dig deeper into what's causing the 404 error. With developer mode enabled, go back to the main apps menu and click on field service. If you were previously getting a 404 error when accessing this app or a related menu, enabling developer mode often reveals whether the issue is due to missing access rights, an uninstalled module, or an incorrect menu action. If the field service module opens correctly now, that confirms the error was related to permissions or configuration visibility. However, if you still see a 404 error, this usually means the menu item exists, but the underlying action or view is missing or restricted. In developer mode, you can now inspect the menu item, check the linked action, and verify whether the corresponding module is installed and properly loaded. Another common reason for Odoo 404 errors is user access rights. Make sure the user you're logged in with has permission to access the field service app and its related models. You can verify this by going into Settings, opening the Users menu, selecting your user, and confirming that the correct access groups are enabled. Once you've confirmed developer mode is active, the module is installed, and the user permissions are correct, most Odoo 404 errors will be resolved. Developer mode is the key tool here, because without it, Odoo hides the technical details that explain why a page can't be found. And that's it. You've now learned how to troubleshoot and resolve an Odoo Error 404 using demo6.odoo.com by enabling developer mode and checking app access like field service. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Odoo guides, error fixes, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.